Hey, what's up, everybody? We are here at Rise Gateway Apartments in Dallas, Texas. This is 142 units. We purchased this deal in November of 2024. It's just been about 5 or 6 months or so. And we've already completed all brand new 3-tone exterior paint, which really helps the curb appeal, helps the leasing activity. We've done new property signage throughout the asset. We've already completed our tree trimming, a lot of the landscaping, so it makes the asset look really clean and nice. We've already completely restriped the parking lot, which looks really good. We've renovated 2 units now, and we have several other units in progress right now. So we're off to a really strong start here at Rise Gateway. This deal is in a great location. You've got Baylor University Hospital, Texas Instruments nearby with major employment centers surrounding the asset. And so if you'd like to learn about how you can participate in opportunities like this in the future, then set up a call with us, talk to our team. We'd love to talk to you soon. Thank you.